We communicate every day in our lives. It is what makes us human. It helps us live and work with each other to achieve greater heights and experience new things. A strong command of English can help you communicate more confidently and prepare you for success, whether it's listening and speaking, reading or writing. Sunago's teachers and materials will give you the skills and confidence to communicate more effectively. With just a few clicks, you can book your class with our qualified teachers anytime and anywhere according to your schedule. Learn using popular lesson materials and make new friends from around the world. With our progress checkpoints, you can easily see your English skills improve in a short period of time, giving you the assurance that you are well on the way towards success. Now, all you need to do is enjoy the classes and relax, knowing that you are becoming better in communicating every day.